Hey, welcome Bigfoot's Cave. Take apart, clean up, tidy up a Mustang MS43 Ratchet. Uh, can't remember whether it was, I think it was, I think it might have been George. You want to watch it, give me the Ratchet, or it could have been David from West Highland Shops. One of the two. They've been very generous at sending me stuff and giving me stuff. Uh, I know I got it back at Jacktown because it's still in the pile of stuff that I still haven't dealt with from Jacktown. Like that big Bonnie 3/4 drive HD set. Still got to work on that. Some decade. So, gonna tear the Ratchet apart, clean it up, see what needs to be done with it. Uh, make sure it works and runs good. So, if you want to hang out, let's check it out. Hey, welcome back to the cave. Let's see if I can't screw up this video this time. Because one before, apparently I nudged my camera and I was off the screen towards the end, not realizing it. Gonna give it a shot, see what I can do with this old Mustang Ratchet. Never tore one of these down, so this is gonna be interesting for sure. Definitely got some grime on it. I gotta find my gotta find the edge of the ring. Right. Change glasses. Nope. There we go. I think that's where the clip is. There we go. I found it and I lost it. Oh, time out, guys. I need coffee. Okay, I'm back. As you see, I don't have a standard size cup. I got my big Cafe de Mon's double cup. But that's not just coffee, since I got to watch my sugar and all that fun stuff since I got old. Been, well, I've always had some kind of a creamer, flavored creamer. Started back, geez, back when I lived in Tulsa, back in early 90s. Because we had quick trips, get and goes. And at Quick Trip, I used to get coffee, and then I'd add their. I'd also blend that with some of their cappuccinos. That's how I got into flavored drinks. But enough of that silliness. So I got hot chocolate with coffee. That way, I said, as you could tell from the size of my paw, since I don't have small hands, plenty to drink. Teeth inside don't look too bad. Need a light. Oh, let's get my stray wires off the magnet so I don't jam them in my finger. A little bit of wear, not a whole lot. Teeth are in really good shape. These are in amazing condition. I wouldn't have thought, being a Mustang and being as old as this is, that it would still be in such good shape. This section just needs lube. It just needs to be oiled up. I don't know if you can see what I can see, but you look down in there, it is impeccably clean. It just has gunk and grime on the outside. And obviously under this, because that's where dirt and crud clog up, but that'll be a late cleaning. This will be a late cleaning. Wow. This might not take as long as I thought. So let's see what we can do with this on the other side. And here we are, a whole 3.5 steps away. First things first, get the air handler running, check the ribbons. I put ribbons on the outflow so I can see if the filters start to clog up. Definitely looking better. Oops. That's what happens when I start doing things without caffeinating my squirrels. And I lost my rag. Definitely getting better. Back to the other bench. Well, I'll give you a hint. Guess who goofed up? Forgot to turn the camera back on because he was drinking coffee, had him a snack, kept on working. That would be this one. Got lost in what I was doing and didn't even pay attention to the fact that the camera wasn't running. Sorry about that. Make sure I had the right stuff. Since this thing apparently has been sitting for a long time, some of the oil that was in it has gotten a little thick, a little tacky, pretty well dried out for the most part. Trying to get all of that off all the parts here. That way when I pull it back up, it'll run smooth. That and all the dirt and grime and crud that I've created too. Even the teeth came out nice. Mechanism snaps nice and crisp. Change it up. Put what's left of my cup on there. Since I I'm not 100% sure I'm going to try to get this near the wheel. I think I'm going to leave it as is because as small as this is, I don't need to launch it across the shop and then play hide and seek with it. Especially since I've got so many projects going on. I got stuff stacked up, piled up all over the place. It'd take me a month of Sundays, maybe 3, try to figure out where it went flying. Sorry if it went off screen again and just caught in the cleaning. Nope, no grunge. Maybe just a itty bitty tiny bit. Try to clean my hands up just a hair. I'm going to risk it. Okay, I did the risk. Didn't lose it. Didn't go flying across the shop, which is good. That's a piece of wire. I don't know where it went. Much better. Well, after a couple good gulps of coffee, I just dropped the thing right in there like it was meant to be. it just went pop. Not a problem. The reason why I was fighting with it because I had the camera on. It's in, it's hooked, it's latched. Oops, wrong direction. Works good, sounds good. I forgot that. I forgot the ball detent. I'm sure this is going on crazy long. Probably a lot longer than I wanted. A little drop. A little bit more. Now, something that's got some teeth to it. That way I can push and roll the ball to make sure that it's still free, not just pushing it in and out. If there's any grime or gunk in there, it usually kicks it out when it rolls the ball. Don't see any, but I have found where by rolling the ball, there was gunk on it. Affects the detent, keeps it from running smooth. But give a little light tap. Sorry for the 8-hour babble fest. Holy cow, this thing's at 40 some minutes. It's going to have to get cut down. But there she is, Mustang MS43, made in USA 100. Patent pending. Got a little bit of history and story with the abuse up here in the handle, but definitely come out a lot better. And she runs smooth. So thanks for watching. Good luck in the hunt.